It's also very nice today. On the 25th of April 2025, we have Vasagatan 13 here in Tranås, Jönköping County, Sweden. Also, where the Östgötabänken trains go here at Kungstorget.
Yeah.
The capacity is 8 persons or 16 diagrams. It's reached in 1990 with 20 amp fixtures. And, yeah. Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Arrangement here. This is in H 40177. It's the Bauer kind of indicator for E.
Yeah.
That's where 4E has the automatic door.
Yeah.
We should also use it. So
Yeah.
the right side and that one.
Yeah. But the indicator doesn't work.
Yeah, unfortunately. Should have been working.
Yeah.
Because this is also rare.
Yeah.
We just found another Bauer, but this was just more interesting
Yeah.
because of this arrangement.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I've seen a Bauer with this yet.
Yeah.
I mean, with this kind of arrangement.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the other Bauer here was the code is impossible. It's a bit tri-director.
Yeah. Is dit by device that maintained by Bauer Hiss?
I love the sensor smell here.
Same.
This is strange to exist here. It's
Yeah.
just standing here. It's basically the silver kind of conveyor buttons.
Yeah. We start at first floor, but we can go to ground floor to see the automatic door.
Yeah, of course. I don't think this will work. No. But, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, that door. But
Yeah.
that E indicator is interesting.
That's
That's it.